In today's video I'm unboxing the Maono dynamic mic to turn my audio from this to sounding like this. Hey folks, welcome back. Today I am going to be unboxing a new microphone. Now it's just arrived, so I've not opened it yet. Now the reason I decided to get a microphone, I noticed in the last couple of videos I've made some mistakes, and just in general the sound quality when recording, especially at distance, isn't too great. Now I've decided, as I say, to invest in a microphone. I don't really know much about microphones. For this one I have chosen one that comes with an arm as well, and all the stuff inside. Best get all the things in one box rather than bits and pieces and not knowing what I'm doing. Now I have only bought one microphone before, that was for my son for his gaming on his PC. Now you purely went on what other YouTubers were using at the time when doing a wee bit of research, and that was the Rode microphone, so I know they're quite a good make, but a bit pricey for me just starting the channel itself. I don't need something over the top. Maybe something in the future maybe I can look at, but just now we have went with this one. Now this one is, now forgive my pronunciation, a Maono microphone, apparently #1 best-selling internet microphone worldwide, just like the world's best cup of coffee, if you get that reference. So those of you who are interested, this is a PD200X USB/XLR dynamic microphone with boom arm bundle. So yeah, just came today. I'm looking forward to it. I'm going to unbox it just now, set it all up, and then record some audio off of it on the same video, and hopefully we can see a marked improvement on that. So yeah, let's get to it. So notice on the back of it, it's got some kind of diagrams and things like that, how it should look, I would imagine, after you've set it up. So let's hopefully it does look like that when we set it up. Okay, to start us off, we've got the usual manuals and warranty cards, things like that. So yeah, couple of warranty cards there, instructions for your boom mic arm, microphone or boom arm, whatever you want to call it, and you've got your user manual for your microphone itself. So I'm sure I'll look through that later just to clue myself up on what is going on. Got a wee advert here, this usual stuff, probably a wee, it looks like an app you can download for that as well. So in the box you've got your connecting cable. So this is a USB-C type connection on both ends. You've also got a normal USB connection there as well. So you know, if you don't have a USB-C on your PC, you can use that. I'll be using both USB type C connections for that. So yeah, now I know you can get the XLR to USB type C connection or USB connection. I'm not sure what the difference would make between having that over one like this, so maybe it's a better quality or whatever, but I've not read too much into that. Maybe something I'll look at in the future. Just we'll see what happens. Just now I'm sure this will work just fine. Next up we've got the boom mic arm clamp, just to go on your desk, always handy so you don't have it flapping about everywhere. For that, pretty basic, pop that there. And we've also got the mic. So it's got looks like a kind of shock absorbing type rig things on it there as well, which is always good. Readjustable clamp bit for your, when it connects to the arm. Got on top mute button. You've got a control dial for your headset volume and also microphone gain. Looks like it's a wee press button, so you press between the two. excuse me. On the back you've got your said XLR connection there. You've also got your USB type C connection for that, and headphone jack there as well. You've got a wee button there for your LED, so it does light up as well, so if anybody is into that kind of thing, you can change the colours and all that jazz there as well. And it's got your wee spongy thing cover on the front there. I'm sure that improves the quality, stops the sound kind of clipping and things like that as well. All technical stuff that I don't really know about at the moment, so again we shall just pop that down the side. Okay, so underneath this bit of foam you've got your arm itself. It's all tightened up just now. I'm not going to untighten it just now until I'm ready just to pop it up, but got your connection for your microphone there at the top, bit that goes into the clamp on your desk, and yeah, seems right, silver and black, looks not quite nice. I'm sure it'll do the job as well, and we'll just pop that back there just now. Okay, so what I'll do is I will set it all up, get it all going, and hopefully the next time you see it on camera it'll be up and running, and also you'll maybe hear a bit of a difference between the audio from now and the audio when this is all plugged in. So yeah, I will see you in a moment. Okay, so here we have it. This is the Maono pod microphone, pod mic, whatever you want to call it. Set up, don't know if I'll keep it in this position, but we'll keep it here just now, see how it goes. Hopefully you can see a difference in the sound quality coming through from earlier on in the video to now. As you can see, just a run through again, you've got the USB-C type C in the back, your LED lights, let's see what you've got here. You've got multicoloured, you can have it off if you just prefer it off, white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue or aqua, blue, and back to the kind of purpley pink. You've got your volume control on top for your microphone gain and your headset volume as well for that. Okay, and yeah, not a bad purchase. Only cost about £72. The ones I've been looking at before, they go into hundreds of pounds. The one I mentioned earlier for my son was about £70 on its own for the microphone. Then you've got the arm on top of that, and then the XLR wire as well. But again, I don't think I need anything that fancy, so opted for this kind of bundle. And yeah, let's hopefully see how it goes and improves the quality. What I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below so you can have a look for yourself at this microphone. They do some other variations. They can do wireless ones, they do freestanding desk ones, you know, just sits on the desk without the arm, if you prefer that. If you know the difference between the USB type C cables and the XLR cables, if it is a quality difference, drop me a comment as well, so you just tell me the difference, or if you advise it would be better to get one of those. In the meantime though, keep tuned to the channel. I've got some more unboxings coming up soon, got other stuff coming through, and remember to subscribe to the channel, help me along, make more videos, the usual. I would appreciate it. Follow along on my journey through this YouTube adventure, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.